Alright guys, I'm about to arrive to the shop. It's Mercury Cougar repair time. Okay guys, so what could be the reason for which my vehicle is stalling? While I'm driving less than 2,000 RPMs, it's turning off and I have rough idle. Now, vacuum leak is out of the equation. I'm already changing out the fuel pump and the fuel hanger, so that's out of the equation as well. And the last thing left that I should have probably never overlooked is when I replaced this motor, I did not change that idle air control valve, and those are known to go out. So that's the last thing that I'm going to replace in the Mercury Cougar. Now, if you want to know why I'm certain that the idle air control valve is failing, it's because I already removed it, I cleaned it, I installed it back, and it did help slightly, but then it keeps turning off randomly, but very less than before. Hopefully it works. So this is the old idle air control valve. It's super worn out on the inside of it. It used to be dirtier, but after I cleaned it, it wasn't so bad. I mean, it did help slightly, but you know, it definitely needed to be replaced. Fords and Mercuries are known for these to fail all the time, so good thing I'm replacing it. All right, guys, so I'm about to turn on the Cougar, and let's see. I'm pressing on the gas slightly. I'm just checking something. Yeah, the idle control valve makes a huge difference. See, with the older idle control valve, as soon as I would turn it on, it would kind of struggle, and it was hard for it to stay at its designated RPM. Right now, it's actually feels fine. It feels like there's never been any issue with this car in the first place. Let's press some gas. Let's keep going to see. That's funny. Oh my god. Okay, well, this concludes my work for today, guys. Thank you so much for being a part of this episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye. Have a great day.